Hey, mommy. Say hi.
Hi.
Meet my love, my first love.
You not gonna reach 5 minutes, so.
I better not pressure me, oh.
You not gonna reach 5 minutes.
Not pressure me, oh. Which makeup did they do for 5 minutes? You go sit at least 1 hour. I will be very fast. Which one be? Today, no market for you. Sit down. Now me and you.
I'll put myself down.
You can't walk what they do today. Now you go join me for the work. Sit down now. Where you they go? Why you they do like this? It's 30 minutes and your makeup is done. No. Like 30 minutes.
Well,
I'm not a deceiver. 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
And that's my assistant over there. Her name is Amarachi. Say hi to me. Subscribe.
Please subscribe, bro. Please,
Yes.
I'm begging you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you, darling. I have a studio, a professional studio where I teach my trainings. Where I have clients coming into. But this is just my own studio. Okay, and by the way, my mom is a Valentine baby. February 14th. Smile now. Now makeup, they know they keep us.
Oh yeah,
30 minutes, I don't finish.
Oh yeah, let's go, let's go.
Anytime I want to do my mom's makeup, it's always a struggle because she does not like makeup. We have to beg her, we have to bribe her. We, the association of all the children, the 6 kids that she have, we beg her to sit down. So this is a workstation. Very, very soon, I'll do a full video tour of my studio where I professionally work. This is just my home studio. An idea for you if you are looking to have a home studio. So by the way, on this studio workstation, it has different compartments. Here I put foundation. I have a compartment where I put all eyeshadow, primer, skincare products. I have a compartment where I put powders, setting powders. And by the way, this is my lipstick bag. And by the way, I have a PRO package that I received from the newly launched Beauty by Jones lip gloss. I'll be doing a video on that soon. And then I have a bag. These little bags, I like it because it's easier to store makeup on this pouch here. This pouch here is where I put pigment so that they don't mix up my box, they don't mess up my main makeup bag. In this bag, I have concealers, and then basically this is just what I have in my home studio. Yeah, by the way, my Instagram handle is Makeup by Venkrista. Do well to follow me on Instagram. And please, if you're watching this video till now, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Behind the scene, I was like, I'll just post it. After cleaning my mom's face and I was done, but I needed to spray my finishing spray. I told her to close her eyes. She closed her eyes. By the time I was done, she opened her eyes and she saw the setting spray I was holding. She said, why will I spray mosquito spray on her? What kind of nonsense makeup is this? The woman provoke, the woman stand up. We say no one do makeup again. No. So why would they spray insecticide fleet for her face?
No.
It's not finished. It's not finished. Not be mosquito killers. Not
You don't do
it's not insecticide, not be mosquito killer. Not makeup.
I don't want makeup.
Oh yeah, why they do like this now? You know how much plenty they pay me for this thing. Oh, pass that. Oh, mommy, my lover, 45 minutes, not plenty now. You know how many people they sit down for 2 hours for makeup? Just.
Finally, we are done. Man, I cannot just show you guys all the behind the scene, but this was one of the most hilarious moments with my mom. I have the full tutorials of this video up on my channel. You can go watch it after watching this video. It's already up. And please do well to like. I later changed her lip as a Valentine baby. We needed to, do the red lip. Happy birthday, mommy. It's my first love. My all-time favorite lover. Oh God, I actually asked my mom to turn for me to get another video. She just told me no, she's not doing anything anymore. That the only thing she wants is a scarf. I should tie her scarf. That she does not want any wig wearing. She's done, she's done. I should tie her scarf. She needs to leave. You see the beg and the bribe for this shoot, chai. I don't know why. Every year I used to promise myself that never again, never again, never again. At the end of the day, I will still go and beg her. Please, have you ever made up your mom if you're a makeup artist?
How was the experience? How do you feel when doing their makeup? Let me know in the comment section.
Style, yes. This is the mommy I know. Give us style, yes. Oh, mommy. Sweet murder. Turn around. Happy birthday. Valentine baby. See vibe now. Oh, say you sit down for makeup. You say, it's
As you see yourself for mirror, so only you dey give yourself vibe.
Yeah.
You not gonna like am so.
Oh, yeah, cockly.
You say wetin?
Cockly.
I should clean wetin? Na so you go take go market o.
Not be me,
Na so you go take go market. Make I clean all this thing wey dey your face.
Hello. So, meet my adorable mother, my priceless mom. She. That's how they play. You get PhD degree for playing your passport.
Oh, yeah, you start like this.
Wait, John. The only one you want to do for example. Spread her like this, but as you do for Instagram, you do like this. You cut it like this. You cut the shopping and spending the cash. See how you play yourself. Practice her first.
This one I'm on.
Oh, mommy, practice her first now. You start play yourself. Smile. Oh. Then when you don't do it like that, finish, you can't spread money like this. Correct. Money be like the color of your dress. Wait, when I wear my pickup, you practice again.
I know.
Where is the go? Wait, stop.
Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Billionaire, Oyaji cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash.
Hey, mama. Hey, mommy. Now, what? It not take you 5 minutes to clean all my efforts of 50 minutes. But your skin fine, you know.
Huh?
Your skin is very fine.
Not a small. I don't know what to do. God, create me finish.
Say God, create a finish. Sexy mama. Oh my mama.
Businesswoman. She want you already go and market. See, you don't want to hear what she's saying. This video is getting too long. By the way, guys, thanks for watching this video till now. Remember to like, share, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, be happy, smile often, be playful, and bye guys.